What is going on? Rich DeMuro here, Rich on Tech, taking a look at the latest gadgets from Facebook, all in an effort to help you video chat a little bit easier at home. This is the new Facebook Portal. It looks like a picture frame, but in fact, it is a video chat device as well. So you've got the screen, this has got a nice 10-inch screen on the back. You've got a microphone and some speakers rather, and some microphones up here. That's the big one. That's gonna sell for $180. It's got a 10-inch screen. Over here, you've got the mini version. So this is the Portal Mini, which has an 8-inch screen. This is gonna sell for $130. Very similar features in that. And then over here, you've got my personal favorite, which is Portal TV. I've wanted a device like this for a while. This is gonna sell for $150, and it sits on top of your TV so you can video chat. So let me just go through some of the features on this device. So again, it looks like a picture frame, and that's what it's doing when it's kind of in its standby mode. It's just displaying your pictures from Facebook and also Instagram, and your camera roll if you want. But then it can spring into action. You can do all kinds of different things on it. By tapping the screen, you've got various, Facebook Watch, you can watch videos, you've got apps, you can do photo booth, Pandora, listen to music. But let me show you some of the privacy stuff, because obviously privacy is top of mind right now. So people want to know that you can keep these things private. So up here, there is now a physical slider switch, and it's a 3-way switch. So you've got 3 settings, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let me show you what those settings do. So the first setting is just on, and you can see that the camera is physically open and available. Now watch what happens when I slide this here. The camera has a physical lens shutter over it that you can tell it's closed. So you can see it's pretty clear that that's closed. And also on the screen, it's gonna say the camera is off. Now if I slide it one more time, now you can tell that the microphone is off and the camera's off because you've got this red light on, so nothing's gonna happen. So that's that device. Now let me show you this one. This goes on top of your TV. This is Portal TV. And again, you've got 8 microphones on top here, so it can hear your voice no matter where you are in the room. On the back side, you've got HDMI along with a power port as well. And you can see that this kind of goes up and down, so you can adjust it. And you've got some speakers up here. And again, a camera. And so finally now you can have a camera on top of your TV, because to me, I video chat with my family a lot. They're back in New Jersey, I'm in California, and the problem with it is holding up the phone. Most of the time you're kind of walking around, everyone's unsteady, and you don't want to video chat for that long. With this, I've tried it out. It's very comfortable because you can sit on your couch. Everything is steady and smooth. The camera follows you around the room. And it's just a nicer way to video chat. And again, it's using Facebook Messenger or of course WhatsApp. And watch this. You don't want the camera going, boom, you can just slide that closed, and now the lens is shut in front of the camera so you don't see anything. And on the side you have a mute button as well to turn off the microphone, and you will see a little LED on here light up when the microphone is off. So that's gonna be $150 when that goes on sale. And you also have a remote control with that device as well, so you can control all the things on screen there. And again, these devices are really meant to help you video chat a little bit easier in the home. Everyone you know has a Facebook account. Everyone is on Facebook Messenger. So to me, I think that this is a nice evolution of video chatting as compared to the phone. So, and with the privacy controls, I think that they've done enough to make people feel a little bit more at ease with having cameras in the home, microphones in the home. A lot of us have those other smart speakers that have a lot of these same things. But let me just show you some of the features real quick that you can do on here. So you've got this photo booth feature. So again, I can't really use anything until I open up the mic and camera. And now you can see, hey, Luis, what's up? So now we can go from, we can take a picture, or we can do, a little video, and you can have a fun little video chat. Let's do whatever, this little toast eyes. There we go. How much fun is that? So I can record a fun little video. 3, 2, 1. And again, it's just very similar to what you have on your Facebook Messenger. Oh, I'm eating the eggs as they slide down my face. And I can send this little video now. It's just very similar to what you have on your Facebook Messenger. A little preview of the audio there. And so I can go there. Let me show you some other things. This is a really cool feature. It's called Story Time, and it actually puts you in the story. So if you want to read a story to your kid from across the way, you can do it. So it actually puts you into the story, which is really interesting. So this is a 4-minute story, Itsy Bitsy Spider, and let me just show you how this works. You can read a story from across the miles, and it gives you the words on the screen, and on the other side, the child can watch So once upon a time, there was a tiny, friendly, and very logical spider named Itsy Bitsy. So I read that, and it also puts you into the frame as well. So I can swipe to the next one. Hello. Hello, my name is Itsy Bitsy. I love watching the weather. I don't know why I did that with that kind of accent, but that's the way I felt. Anyway, so there you go, and you could, it's just like fun little things like that. You've got Spotify on here as well, iHeartRadio. You can also watch videos with friends, so if they're on the other end, you can watch Facebook Watch with them. That's what's working right now. And of course, you have your contacts here, so with one tap, you can just call people, and it does respond to the Hey Portal. So that's the command to light this thing up and do things like make calls and all that good stuff. So, all right, there you have it. I'm gonna slide over here. So a quick look at the brand new Facebook Portal devices. If you have any questions about them, leave them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Rich DeMuro, richontech.tv. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.